Number 9. I purposefully left the calculator looking like this to show you how to get back to where you started. So hitting this home button automatically recenters us back at the origin. I'm going to go ahead too and minimize it so we're back to having the place we enter input down here. Okay. We have an equation. The given equation relates the quantities R, S, and T. Which equation correctly expresses R in terms of S and T? So you can use Desmos. Really, we can just look at it. What they're saying is they want R by itself. Oh, don't just ignore the timer on my computer because obviously I'm taking longer to do these problems than I normally would. If we wanted to solve this for R, we would multiply both sides by 38. Okay? R is currently being divided by 38. To get R by itself, we have to undo that division, which means we have to multiply. So we multiply both sides by 38, and that gives us 38 times the other side, S plus T. Because what you do to one side, you do to both. Now, using Desmos, if you want to check your answer, S plus T, you don't need to. Yeah, you really can't. There's no way to like graphically look at this. But just to say, if we multiply both sides by 38, we take that, multiply by 38, we are multiplying this whole quantity. Okay, so just showing you what that looks like. The 38s cancel out, and then we end up with R by itself. Okay, equals S plus T times 38, which is answer choice C. So just showing that in a different way. He's so sarcastic. Number 10. Owen thinks he's so funny. Oh. Number 10. Line K is defined by y equals 6x plus 4. Line J is parallel to line K. Oh, wait, what's parallel? They'll never meet. That's really sad. What if they're like meant for each other and they never meet? They just go on forever and ever. That's sad. That could be Shakespeare. Okay. So let's put in. Yeah. Okay. So there's our original equation. And as Owen said, we want to look for a line that's going to go on forever and ever and ever and never meet with that one. But what if they're like worst enemies? It's probably a good thing they never meet. I mean, I don't know. This could be an antimatter type of situation. Okay. So, for no reason, I typed in choice B, the green line here. And if you, as you can see, that green line definitely meets up with the blue line. They cross each other. So, yeah, we don't want that one. He's saying that he can't even see my screen. So, um, 6x plus 5 is our next one. Oh, that looks like almost the same line. Let's zoom in. I want to see, is this the same line or different lines? They are different lines, but look, they're parallel. So it looks like A is probably our answer. Let's just double check. Okay, I think it definitely is, but let's check C just to see, like, what, just to see C, to see what happens. Oh, yeah, that's not going to work. Yeah, that black line definitely goes across. It definitely meets up with our blue line, so we don't want that. And let's check answer choice D. Now, when you're on the test, if you don't want to take the time to double check this stuff, I don't blame you. You know, yeah. If we were zoomed in far enough, that red one would almost look parallel, right? But if we zoom out, you can see they do actually cross each other. Let me get rid of the purple for a second just so we can see it. Yeah, that blue line, you see they do cross at some point. Okay, they almost look like the same line, but they do cross. And the more we zoom out, the more you can see they cross. Okay. The purple line, no, purple line is the same line almost. Let's hit the home button. Good practice on our zooming. And yes, as you can see, definitely parallel, and that is our answer as we expected.